In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Authenticator to Exness. Now to do this, you want to go to your Exness personal area and sign in, and then from here go to Profile on the left, and you want to click on Security over here, the second tab. In here, you can see you have the two-step verification. You want to go and click on Change, and you want to change it to Authentication app. So that way you can then add your Authenticator. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to hit the Next button. From here, it's going to load you into a new screen. So there we go. It's going to say add an extra layer of security, and then it's going to say use your Authenticator app for instant verification. So to do this, you want to simply go and click on Get Started. If you don't have an Authenticator app, you can go and download one now. Now, compatible are these over here. So Google, Microsoft, Authy, and others. I'm actually going to use the Google Authenticator for this, but it's going to be pretty much the same way with the other ones as well. And I'm going to click on Get Started. You're going to receive like a QR code over here, which you basically have to go and then scan with your Authenticator. So just go and scan that QR code. If you're not sure how to do this with your Authenticator, you can just Google it. It's super simple, and that's going to basically add your Exness account to your Authenticator. And then in there, you simply want to go and click on Continue. And then you have to enter in the code generated by the Authenticator app. I'm actually going to type it in right now because I'm looking at it on my screen of my phone. There we go. It says account confirmed, and there we go. As you can see, it says final step. It says confirm the operation, open the Exness Trade app to confirm. So you basically have to confirm this in the app to proceed as well. So what you have to do is basically open up the app and then confirm it in there as well, and you'll be good to go. You'll be able to kind of see the notification, just tap on it, and that's going to add your Authenticator to Exness, okay? So it's that simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.